Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about PSUR, the last section, that is 20 appendices to the PSURs. Okay, whatever we have provided above the detail. So it's going to be the appendices where we are going to provide some kind of evidences, we can say, or some supporting documents in order to refer. So everything we can't put in the above sections. So if they keep it in appendix, so they can easily they could able to refer. That's the reason we are keeping at the last. So as per the guideline, it focus mainly on 6 appendices. So first we will see about RSI, so the reference safety information, which was effective at the end of the review period. At the time of DLP, what RSI is effective, that we need to append here. And as well as second is about listings, line listings they call, right, like cumulative SCI, serious adverse events from CTs. That line listing we will attach, that's a kind of cumulative. Okay, since IBD, whatever the SAEs came out from the clinical trials, so all the SAEs would cover in this particular appendix. And from post marketing, actually they will focus interval plus cumulative plus interval, serious as well as non-serious ADs, what they will focus for post marketing. So that line listing also they will get attached, but again it's each company specific. They will generate the line listing based on their methodology, where they would have already explained under section 6.2 and 6.3. so based on that they will run the line listings and they will attach here. And the next section, next appendix is tabular summary of signals. So usually the guideline also prefer that if possible you can present in the respective section under section 15 itself, and if not possible then you can present here also tabular summary of signals. And the next appendix 4, which talks about MAH sponsored. MAH should have sponsored that particular interventional trials or non-interventional studies. So actually here they will focus that study is the primary aim of I have written as ICQC, so just for your remembrance, like if any MAH is primary aim is to identify, to characterize, to quantify, or any confirming the safety profile, that is ICQC of the own medicinal product. Or for non-interventional, usually sometimes they also use for to measure the effectiveness. So as we said about risk minimization measures, if they would have taken that effectiveness of risk minimization measures in case of any non-interventional studies in order to measure all these, so those things can be presented under appendix 4. And list of resource, actually it's a leisure kind of appendix. If some source, if you have checked to prepare the PSUR, so what kind of MBase, Medline, or any other meta-analysis, and something if you would have used from from the website, something you should have used from investigator sponsored trial, something if you have noted anything. So if you wish to refer anything, any list of reference, any sources, you can feel free to add, but that is just an optional. And final about regional appendix. So regional appendix, whenever we say, usually our in our mind it comes like EU regional appendix. So anyways, we will see the EU regional appendix in a separate way. So the take home message is there are 6 appendices has been declared. Of this, the optional kind of thing, this you can move above, and even list of resource, even you can put NA, then there won't be any wrong. Apart from this, you can focus on these kind of appendices mainly, and you can present. And regional appendix, again this is one of the important one, which does contain the EU regional appendix or any national appendix. So that company specific, again they will derive their own template. Okay, thank you. We will see the EU regional appendix in the next class. Thank you.